There are two kids sitting at the same kitchen table, same house, same parents arguing in the next room about the same unpaid bill. Both kids are pretending to do their homework. Both are listening to every word. 20 years later, one of them cannot look at their bank account without feeling sick. The other one spends money they do not have to feel like they are finally okay. Same table, same argument, opposite adults. What happened in between is the thing nobody teaches you. The way you handle money today was mostly written before you turned 10, and you did not choose a single word of it. There are 4 of these inherited beliefs, and here's the part that will stay with you. One of them looks like the responsible one, the good with money one, and it quietly traps people just as badly as the other 3. I will show you which one at the end. A psychologist named Dr. Brad Klontz spent years studying why smart people make the same money mistakes over and over, and what he found is that we are all running invisible scripts. He calls them money scripts. Beliefs about money that get installed in childhood, usually without a single word being said directly to you. You absorb them, from overheard arguments, from watching how your parents flinched or bragged or went quiet whenever money came up. And here's the key thing, you do not pick one. You carry all 4 in different amounts, but usually 1 or 2 are running the show. Let us meet them. The first one is avoidance. If money avoidance is your loud script, some part of you believes money is kind of bad, that wanting it makes you greedy, that rich people probably did something shady to get there, that you do not really deserve it, so you do not look. You avoid the statements, the budget, the balance, and the cruel twist is that avoiding money does not protect you from it. It just means it falls apart quietly in the dark while you are not watching. People with this script tend to undercharge, under-earn, and sabotage the very thing they are afraid of. It usually starts with a kid who learned that money equals conflict, so the safest thing to do with conflict is not look at it. The second script is money worship. This is the belief that more money will fix it, all of it. The stress, the sadness, the feeling that something is missing. If you just had more, you would finally be happy. And look, money matters, but the worship script turns it into a finish line that keeps moving. There is never enough. So you chase it, you overspend reaching for the feeling, and you can end up carrying debt month to month trying to buy your way to enough. The feeling never quite arrives, because it was never really about the money. The third one is money status. This is where your self-worth and your net worth get fused together, where what you own becomes a way of telling the world and yourself that you matter. Klontz found something heartbreaking here. This script shows up most in people who grew up with less. Kids who absorb the idea that status would finally make them feel like enough, so they spend to prove it, often money they do not have, on things meant to be seen. And the research links it to overspending, anxiety, and lower happiness, not more. The car, the label, the upgrade, it was never about the object. It was about a kid who wanted to feel like they counted. Which brings us to the fourth script, the one I promised you, the responsible-looking one. It is called money vigilance, and on paper, it is the healthy one. These are the savers, the careful ones, the people with the emergency fund and the spreadsheet. Klontz found this is the script most linked to actually doing well with money. So where is the trap? The trap is that vigilance taken too far becomes a cage. You save, but you can never enjoy it. You have enough, but you never feel safe. Money becomes a source of low, constant anxiety that no amount in the account ever switches off. You did everything right, and you are still bracing for a disaster that already passed. The good with money person can still be quietly miserable about money. That is the one nobody warns you about. Being responsible is not the same as being free. So go back to those two kids at the table. Neither of them chose their script. One walked away an avoider, one walked away a worshiper. They were handed those beliefs the same way you were handed yours, quietly, early, before you had any say. But here is what is different for you, right now, today. Those kids did not know the script existed. You do now, and you cannot rewrite a story you cannot see, which means just being able to name yours is the first real edit you get to make. So the honest question is not, which one am I? It is, which of these have been running quietly in the background of my whole financial life, and is it actually mine, or did I just inherit it? If this gave you a new way to look at your own money habits, that is exactly what I make here. The psychology underneath the spreadsheet, the stuff that actually drives what you do with money. Stick around if that is your kind of thing.